Combining a low price car with a Ferrari? Wait, what? There's no way. What the heck? Yo, how is this even possible? I wonder what it's gonna look like. There's no way he's gonna make a lower price car look really good. There's no way. What the heck? Ferraris are different though. I'm not gonna lie. I've seen a lot of like Ferraris in like the F1. You see what I'm saying? Like that's mostly where I see them. I usually don't see a Ferrari down the street where I live. I don't know. Maybe because people who can't afford them. Maybe I don't know. Where I live. But, yo, this is insane. Look at, ooh, the car body go crazy. Oh my gosh. Yo, see the windshield? What the heck? Yo, not the rims, bro. What?